In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the audio language of a YouTube video. Whether you're looking to watch a video in a different language for learning purposes or simply to enjoy the content in your preferred language, these easy-to-follow steps will guide you through the process in just a few minutes. Start by opening YouTube on your preferred web browser or mobile app. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, navigate to the video that you want to watch. This might be a video you've been recommended, or something you're searching for manually. Finding the video itself might seem like the most obvious step, but it's crucial to ensure the content actually supports multiple audio languages, a feature not yet available on all videos. With your chosen video queued up, go ahead and hit play. Now move your cursor around over the video player. This simple action will reveal a series of controls at the bottom of the screen, including play, pause, progress bar, volume control, and others. The one we are particularly interested in here is the settings gear icon. Located on the bottom right corner of the video player, the gear icon opens up the menu where many customizations can be made, including the audio track settings. Once you have clicked the gear icon, a menu will pop up with various options. Here you should look for the audio track option. Note that this will only appear if the video supports multiple audio languages. If you don't see this option, it unfortunately means the video only has one audio language available. But let's assume that's not the case here, and the option is available. Clicking on Audio Track will present you with a list of available audio languages. This list shows you the languages the video has been translated into. It's worth noting that the number of available languages can vary widely depending on the video's creator and intended audience. From this list, select the language you want to switch to. Simply clicking on your desired language will automatically change the audio of the video to your chosen language. It's as easy as that, and you can now enjoy watching the video in a language that suits you best. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed the audio language of a YouTube video. This can be a helpful tool for language learners or anyone exploring content from different parts of the world. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you. Enjoy watching.